Windows tips and tricks for your Windows 10 and 11 computer. And there are some really cool things that you can do to speed it up. And even free RAM, which is... When I heard that, I went nuts, because that was the number one issue. And the number one reason I switched over to Mac. So this is from legitimate sources that I've searched up. It's because I used to use some of these, so I remember how to use them. Anyways, here we go. So, this seems so simple, but you have to go into your menu. Yeah, just go into your File Explorer, or this PC if you're one of those at school. Ugh, it's bad. Then go to Downloads, and anything that you don't need, like excess installers, stuff that you don't need, just get rid of it. And stuff that you don't need in pictures, just do a complete system cleanup. I do one every now and again, even for my Mac. Another one is you need to remove data, like updates. So, you need to go press the Start key, go to Settings, or whichever way you want to go. Then, go to Storage and Temporary Files. And then go through there, click what you want to click, and then press Clear, or Delete, or whatever you want. And this will delete all the old updates that you don't need. I did this so many times, it was so fun to see all the storage blow away so I can finally play Minecraft. Nobody likes tips. Well, you're getting a tips video from me, but tips in Windows is not great at all, and because it's consistently using RAM to try to give you a tip, but I never used it. I've never used it. So you've got to turn it off by going. So go to the Start key and search notifications. Click on the notifications thing, and then do all the sliders to slide all them off, because you don't need them. On one person's, there was 40 apps that were just watching. It is odd. Then we've got changing power mode in the weirdest way ever possible. So, by going to search for your Windows key, typing performance, and then selecting adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and the list of results. Then you're going to go to visual effects and then adjust for best performance, and then you're going to click apply. Make sure you click apply, and then you want to reboot the computer so it has a chance. Then, Ready Boost. This was so cool when I heard about it. I remember hearing about it a while ago, but Ready Boost is obviously the coolest thing I've ever seen. So Ready Boost is basically, you have a USB drive right around, but you can only do it if you don't have an SSD, which is something called a solid state drive. It's basically something really thin. If you've got a laptop, you have a big chance of having an SSD. Just check that on the manual or search it up with your Windows, the name of the PC, with all the weird things like pavilion and then all the little weird letters. So make sure you search that up, because highly likely on laptops you will have an SSD. But if you have a HDD or anything like that, you can do this. So, Ready Boost, you can use a removable drive, so like a USB flash drive, to improve your PC's performance. This is amazing for some gaming PCs, by the way, without opening your actual PC and adding more RAM, because RAM is just temporary storage. You don't really need that much of it. So I could probably put a 32 gig flash drive in there. I'm joking, but if that did work, that would be super cheap order. Making a joke there. To use Ready Boost, you'll need a USB flash drive or a memory drive, or memory card, that has at least 100 megabytes of data and a high data transfer rate. I personally would recommend you to go out to your local shops and buy something super cheap. You don't need anything top of the line. I'd recommend though that you get something top of the line, because then that's also your performance right there. But I mean, obviously that's all you need. So to use Ready Boost, you've got to go through this, and I have to look down because this is really detailed. I'm not going to be able to search it up. So you're going to have to insert your USB flash drive into your PC, into the USB port, of course. I recommend USB. I think that's what the guys told me to say. Select File Explorer from the taskbar or whatever else. Click on it. It's just this PC. Then right click on the USB flash drive and go to properties. Once you're at properties, select Ready Boost and then use this drive. And Windows will determine if it can be used or if it can't. If it can't, it will definitely let you know. That is what happens. After Windows determines how much free space and yada yada yada, select OK and it's going to do it. When you look at the contents of the USB flash drive, you'll see a file named readyboost.sfh on the flash drive. This will show how much space is reserved for ReadyBoost, so basically more there. Nuts. And another tip I've got is updates. Yes, updates. Just regularly update your PC. And don't just do normal, because regular updates can actually do very good. Don't be in the beta testing program because I did that. Oh, you did get a, I think it's green screen tech. That's a better one. So much cool. Oh, what have you done? Anyways, it's what it is. But instead of doing regular updates, this would be a different way. Go optional and install all the drivers. They are beautiful and they can make the PC go 10 times faster. And here's a bonus tip, free. Make sure you update and go custom and then uninstall the previous one and then do a reboot. GPU install if you've got a custom one or anything like NVIDIA, all that sort of stuff. No reporting on OneDrive, and I forgot how to say OneDrive thing, but it's okay, I'm gonna call it out. Okay. So on the taskbar, look for OneDrive. It might be in your notification area, by the way. Select OneDrive, More, and then pause syncing. So you might have to run. And then choose how long you want to pause syncing your files for, because that's going to take up a lot. And OneDrive, nobody likes it. I don't use it. And you have to pay so much money, and it's so dumb. Just get like a cloud thing. Just put on an old computer, you'll be fine. That's what I do on a regular basis with my what I call the servo. Now, to restart your PC and see if any of that's worked, of course, because you know there's all these things. And then if you want to, just right click it, go more, resume syncing. And then start up apps. Select the start button, then select tips. Press the start button, search settings, apps, and then start and remove all of them, because I'm pretty sure that Windows is not really kept the fast thing. And that is 10 tips. So if you like the video, and if you dislike the video, please don't. Pop a comment below, I might be able to help you out if you've got an issue. And cheers, enjoy.